there you guys, it is me, RandomJosh, and I'm back again with another Face Mask Friday video. And today I have something really quite exciting for you. I have this lovely purple parcel that I received in the mail recently. And this is the Indigo Rosee mystery box. Now, there are multiple types of mystery boxes that Indigo Rosee are currently stocking, which range from different price points. So you can get a £10 box, a £20, £30 or £50. Of course, I had to go for the £50. I love these lashes to pieces, and you know, any chance I get to support a friend really means the world to me. So had to get my hands on them and give you guys a little bit of a sneak preview of what you might get in the £50 mystery box. So included in these mystery boxes are, oh hello, there's a lovely little note I've got here on my little receipt, which kindly reads, "Oh my god Josh, thank you so much, lots of love from Tori." I'll let you get on into that. How cute is that? Do love me a good bit of Tori. But here it is, oh my goodness. We've got some new branding on the front. Indigo is my happy colour. I live for it. Look at how cute this is. I love the new kind of designs that Tori has got going on for the brand. I think they are incredible. They're so forward thinking and they're just gorgeous really. But anyway, so like I said, the new boxes, these particular boxes come specifically with products stocked by Indigo Rosee. So they're going to be lashes, lash applicators, lash glue, anything lash related pretty much that they stock is likely going to be in here. And these boxes are specifically designed to essentially make sure you get your money's worth. So it's not going to give you half amounts, it's going to give you more than £50 worth within these. And there's also the brand new lash included in every single mystery box that goes out, which I'm super excited to see and try out at some point as well. Ooh, something's moving in there. Without further ado, some incredible products I can already see. So let's start off with the glue. So this is the Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. Is this the clear or the... Oh, this is the dark toned one. See, I normally get the clear toned one, but I've been curious about the dark toned one, but I've not actually had the balls to try it. But yeah, this is just basically eyelash glue specific that it's dark basically. So when you apply it, it dries dark. So it should technically, if done correctly, blend in with your lashes and essentially your lash line. So that's a really awesome product to start off with. We also of course have our little Indigo Rosee business cards, so you can follow them on Instagram, TikTok, or contact them by their email. All details of course will be down below in the description anyway. If you are curious about this particular brand, whether you have shopped with them before or not, I highly recommend it. We also have, oh my god, not one but two new lash applicators. So it looks here like we've got the black applicator and the pinky purpley kind of applicator, and they're filled to the brim with the purple confetti paper. So I'm not going to open these because I know what I'm like, I will make a mess everywhere. But I have showcased these on a previous video, so if you are curious about these particular applicators, I will try and remember to link the video somewhere around so you can go and check that out if you want to learn a little bit more about the lash applicators. I love these. They're really helpful for putting your lashes on, trust and believe. Oh, these are cute. Oh my goodness, these are all so new. There's this little like kind of business card thingy. So this one says, "You are strong as fuck." I love that. And then we also have one which says, "It's totally okay not to give a fuck sometimes." I love these. Tori, these are incredible. I'm so gagged on them. And then of course we have the little kind of postcard thingy, which is all around the new branding. So at the bottom here it says as well, "Keep your lashes long, your standards high, and most importantly, remember that you are absolutely gorgeous." Thank you. I'll try. And I believe this is like a little Indigo Rosee sticker as well. I love this. These are so cute. I don't know, I never know what to do with these sticker things that come with things. Like I want to stick them somewhere, but then I'm like, no, I don't want to, because then it's permanent. And I like to see them on a daily basis. So it looks like we've got 2 lash books and 3 lashes. So the lashes that we have here are Apollo, which are one of the newer-ish lashes that were released. Not too recent. We've had Martini, but the one before Martini, I believe, was this one, which is Apollo. I love these lashes. To be fair, I love everything that's Galaxy themed, and obviously the name is Galaxy kind of related, you know, Apollo. I just love these lashes, like they're so gorgeous. They're so like natural but long. Oh, beautiful. So we have a pair of those. We of course have, oh my god, this is it. Mentally prepare myself. We have here Hustle. So this is the new lash. Now I've heard things that it's going to be quite long. I haven't, like I've seen little snippets here and there, but this is the first time properly seeing them. Oh, they are amazing. Look at that. They're like chunky long. And they really are long. Oh my goodness. Now I won't be doing lash try-ons on this particular video. If you would like to see me try on any of the lashes, please let me know. But I tend to try and keep them until I use them in like a particular video. I mean, for most of the other lashes, but barring Hustle, I've probably used them in a different separate video. So definitely check those out. And last but not least, in the single lash category at least, we have Sunflower, which I love these little lashes because they're so, I mean, they're not little, let's be honest. They're still long in length, but they just have like so much subtlety to them. So you can kind of use these a lot on like an everyday basis. They're so cute. They just add that little bit of like extra flair to your lashes, so it's not like a bare lash look. It's still got a little bit of drama going on, but it's not heavy going out drama lashes, you know? You get my vibe, you get my gist. Anywho, on to the lash books now. So again, these are likely the 2 that I have. So yep, these are the 2 lash books that Indigo Rosee store. So we have here the Neutral Edit and the Glam Edit. So the Neutral Edit is of course for more everyday wear. So we have here a nice pair of Sugar at the top, Vonnie in the middle, and then the exclusive pair for these particular lash books, which is of course Emerald. So you can get up in that grill, look at them. Oh, I just love them. And again, like you can see, even though these are like the natural edit, they still have essence of drama to them. Like they can be used for going out, but they're just, in comparison to some of the other lashes, they're a bit more tame, a little bit more laid back. But then obviously we've got the Glam Edit, which is a little bit more going out lash, a little bit more drama going on, a bit thicker, a bit more, ooh. So here we have Confidence, Queen and Empower. So Empower is the exclusive one to this lash book. So here they all are, looking fierce, fabulous as ever. I mean, oh, I'm gonna get you in nice and close to each of them just so you can really get into the vibe, because I love these lashes and I'm out of focus, which is just fabulous. But yeah, so that is essentially what you could expect roughly from the £50 mystery box. Obviously, again, the £10, the £20, the £30 will all vary based on, you know, different products and what they can obviously get into them, because they still, you know, Tori still needs to make some kind of money off of these. It's not going to be, you know, just giving products away. I mean, essentially it probably is to an extent, because I know from memory these are both worth £15 each normally, so that's already £30 just there. And then if you've got £6 per lash, that's £18 worth of lash there. So that's already £48. So we've, you know, we've got £2 to spare for these 3 products, which obviously does not add up at all. I don't really recall the prices of each of these individually, but I know they're a lot more than £3 total, £2 total, sorry. So yeah, definitely getting a bargain there. If you love lashes, if you know, you wanna, if you're new to the brand especially, and you wanna give it like a little bit of a test run, a little bit of a trial, see some different lashes, you're not too sure what ones to get, mystery boxes are the way forward. It will give you a little bit of an insight into the different products that they stock, and I think it's such an incredible way to support a brand and, you know, still get a little bit of a bargain for yourself, because let's be honest, a bargain is a bargain. We love a good bargain. So I would highly recommend this. Even if you're an avid buyer of Indigo Rosee or any brand of lashes, I think it's such a fun way to kind of just get a little bit of like a surprise, because it's almost like a present to yourself, because you don't know what you're getting, and you get that little bit of excitement when you're opening the box and you're going, oh, what have I got? What's going to be inside the boxes? I think that's amazing, straight up. Anyway, you guys, as always, I'll be leaving all the information about this particular mystery box, and you can see all of the mystery boxes as well that you can potentially get on the Indigo Rosee website, which I'll be linking down below. So please do go and check them out, and also go and check out Indigo Rosee on all the socials. Tori is constantly on the social media game. Like, it blows my mind how much she does. Specifically, you know, the fact that this is her own brand. She does this all by herself. She hasn't got like a team behind her. She is doing every little thing by herself. And that just blows my mind, because she is so incredibly passionate and determined throughout every single essence of the process. So yeah, if you really want to support a small brand, especially around this Christmas period, it's a great gift for those who, you know, are into their makeup or like a little lash here and there. Get them one of these. I'm sure it will wow them. Anyway, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed getting a little bit of a preview into this gorgeous mystery box. If you want to see more content from me, make sure to give it a little subscribe. Hopefully I'll be making many more videos to come. And I will see each and every one of you guys in the next video. Peace out, bitches!